it's Lego and Pokemon, guys, and in this video, we're going to be showing you a hot dog. A hot dog.
And it meows.
And it meows. It makes a sound. It's strange. So, we're going to show you, but first we're going to make our hot dog. So, get the hot dog out of the freezer.
So here is our hot dog. It's in here.
Here are our buns.
So let's find our hot dogs real quick.
Hot dog buns. 8.
And our hot dogs are
They're right there.
right here. And
Now-
now get our hot dog out.
I'll pick, this is leftovers.
Here we
Take
go.
one. Get a plate. Get your plate.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I have the hot dog?
A perfect hot dog for you guys.
Just go
to
get your
see.
plate. And here's a
Can't
hot
wait.
dog.
Want to see how it is?
It's very strange. Put your plate there. There it is. Okay, let's put it in the microwave. Now,
There's a few things you need to notice about this.
can you open the microwave?
Don't do this at home.
Actually, everyone.
You can actually. You can.
There it is.
But sometimes it can be a little bit. You put it on for like 27.
30 seconds. And then it says touch to start. So listen very carefully for the sound, guys. Hopefully it does it this time.
Oh, did you hear that?
Could you guys hear the ruckus? Could you hear that? Maybe we'll put it on for 10 more seconds. Did you guys hear that? That was awesome. Did you hear that? So we'll take our hot dog out, get a bun.
Oh,
That was awesome, guys.
you have to put it on for an extra 10 seconds.
That was funny.
Yeah.
You guys should try that at home.
You just put it in for like probably about.
No, I don't
It's
know.
okay if you don't want to like.
So
If you have a microwave like this, that's
yeah, can you
pretty
just
good.
open it up?
Let's try.
You know
and
what? We'll
open
do
it
this
up.
off camera. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That was pretty funny, I think. And hope you guys enjoy it. We're going to put some ketchup on it. And see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And adios, amigos. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.